Welcome to the BlueSphere MDM platform OTA tutorial video. This video will guide you through a quick overview of how to efficiently manage and update device software using OTA, over-the-air, updates. The OTA feature allows you to update devices remotely without physical contact or manual intervention. Moreover, this feature supports simultaneous updates for multiple devices, effectively reducing downtime and lowering maintenance costs. First, navigate to Configuration. Software Management. You can find the OTA section here. The OTA section is Include Task Management and Task Monitoring. In the Task Management page, you can create new OTA tasks to update the system image, application, or MDM agent. You can also create a license upload task to supplement various licenses to your account. Click on the OTA task to go to the Task Details page. Here, you can view detailed information about the task. Click the detail icon to monitor the OTA task's details of each stage before the OTA task is sent to the device. It will first check the device's health status to maximize the success rate of the OTA task. For failed OTA tasks, click the Retry button to resend the task. In Task Monitor, you can monitor the created OTA tasks. Select the task type or task name to filter the task you want to monitor. Key Performance Indicator will display various success rate data for OTA tasks, such as the OTA task creation success rate and the OTA task download success rate. You can monitor abnormal data in the Abnormal Statistics section and switch between 15-minute and daily modes in the time series chart. In the Abnormal Events section, you can view the detailed time and reasons for anomalies. Additionally, abnormal events can be exported and downloaded in Excel format. Next, we will demonstrate how to create an OTA task. First, let's introduce how to create an OTA system image task. Please navigate to Configuration, Software Management. Click the Create Task button and select OTA. Enter the task name or use the default timestamp name. In Advanced Settings, you can select the permanent option to make the task valid indefinitely. If not selected, the default validity period for the task is 3 days. If you select the Force Upgrade option, no manual confirmation is required on the device side. Then, select the system firmware. Find the system image you need to upgrade. Select the upgrade mode. Execute immediately, execute later, or scheduled execution. Click Next. You can select the target devices or device groups. When creating a system image upgrade task, the platform will verify the upgrade path. The platform will check the current firmware version of the device against the target firmware version. If the upgrade path has been verified by the BlueSphere R&D team, you can proceed with the upgrade. If the path is unverified, a red sign will appear next to the target device. In the next step, you can click Path to view verified upgrade paths. Of course, you can proceed with the upgrade task, but it may lead to uncontrollable results for your device. Click OK to complete the task creation. In the Device Selection and Overview page, you can also click Verify to send the upgrade path to our backend. Upon receiving your request, we will provide verification results within 2 business days and notify you via email. Next, we will introduce how to create an OTA application task. Similarly, after configuring the task info, select Application. Choose the application and version you need to update on the device. Next, select the target device or device group. Finally, after confirming the task details, click OK to complete the creation. Now, we will introduce how to create an OTA MDM agent task. Similarly, after configuring the task info, select Agent. Choose the agent version you need to update on the device. Next, select the target device or device group. Finally, after confirming the task details, click OK to complete the creation. Your device will be rebooted after MDM agent is installed. The device will automatically compare the software version in the OTA task. If the task version is lower than or equal to the current version of the device, the system will report the task as failed. You can also quickly create an OTA task from the right side bulletin in Dashboard. Just simply click Target Update, select Deploy Now, and then follow the prompts to complete the task setup. Last, we will demonstrate how to upload a license. First, you need to go to the Task Management page, click Create Task, select Upload License, and click Select File. Next, select the license file you need to upload. With the OTA feature of the BlueSphere MDM platform, device management becomes more convenient and efficient. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you get started quickly.